What does the term melody mainly refer to? Options are A. Main musical tune, B. Rhythm pattern, C. Song volume, D. Instrument type. The correct answer is main musical tune. What is meant by rhythm in music? Options are A. Written lyrics, B. Song meaning, C. Beat pattern, D. Sound quality. The correct answer is beat pattern. What does audience mean in entertainment? Options are A. Stage workers, B. Performers, C. Music writers, D. Listeners or viewers. The correct answer is listeners or viewers. What does performance usually describe? Options are A. Music review, B. Practice session, C. Song recording, D. Live presentation. The correct answer is live presentation. What does recording mean in music? Options are A. Playing live, B. Writing lyrics, C. Saving sound, D. Mixing styles. The correct answer is saving sound. What does tempo control in a song? Options are A. Speed of music, B. Sound level, C. Song language, D. Music genre. The correct answer is speed of music. What does instrumental music mean? Options are A. Spoken words, B. Background noise, C. Only vocals, D. No singing. The correct answer is no singing. What does entertain mean? Options are A. Give instructions, B. Correct mistakes, C. Provide enjoyment, D. Teach a lesson. The correct answer is provide enjoyment. What does soundtrack usually refer to? Options are A. Live concert, B. Audio equipment, C. Song lyrics, D. Music used in media. The correct answer is music used in media. What does amplify mean in music? Options are A. Reduced sound, B. Stop sound, C. Record sound, D. Increased sound. The correct answer is increased sound.